Hello. For this strategy, you need HM system. Okay, so it's this one by RKC Share, and the setting is default settings, but you untick this one, this one, this one, and this one. We only need the WMA. Okay, and then you need STC indicator. So it's this one. STC indicator better MACD. Okay, it's this one. I use default setting as well, and then you need a 200 EMA. Okay, 200 EMA. Okay, so for buy, you want the WMA to be below the 50 line. Okay, and then you want the STC. Okay, it goes below the 25 line. Okay, and it turns green. It turns green from red. Okay, so here, and the price has to be above the 200 EMA. Okay, so here we have a signal, and the stop loss is logical swing high, swing low. So here, so you can target 1 to 2 or whatever. All right, and here we have a signal as well. Okay, the WMA is below 50. You have the turn green from red. Okay, and it's below 25 here, and price above 200 EMA. And if you put your stop loss here or here, you get stopped out. Okay, so but if you put your stop loss here, you can get this. Okay, and then here we have another signal. Okay, here, okay, it turns green from red. All right, and the WMA is below 50, price above 200 EMA. Okay, and the reason why we are buying when the WMA below 50 is because we want to buy the retracement. Okay, so we don't want to buy at the top. So stop loss is maybe right there or right here. Target 1 to 2. Okay, here it's okay. Nope. Okay, we wait for it to go below 50. Okay, so here, nope. Okay, so it's here. Okay, turn green from red, and it's below the 50 line. Okay, you see the number here. Okay, so here we buy. Okay, so it's this one. So the stop loss is kind of subjective. So let's say it's here. Target 1 to 2. Okay, so wait for it to go below 50. So here, okay, the number is 49. So it's below 50 here. So we buy here. Price is above 200 EMA. So, all right. So if you have any question, just comment down below. All right. And okay, so here, okay, so it's below 50. So we can take this. And personally, I would not take this because the stop loss is too big. But you know, it's a legit signal. So for me personally, I only pick when the signal has like a low, small stop loss. Okay, so big stop loss like this, I don't take it. Okay, so here we have okay, we buy here, target 1 to 2. Okay, and here we have, okay, let's see here. Okay, we have another signal. Okay, turn green from red. Okay, so stop loss maybe right there or right here. Okay, so you can target 1 to 2. All right. Okay, so for sell, it's the opposite. The price has to be below 200 EMA, and then the STC has to go above the 75 line here. Okay, it turns red from green, and the WMA has to be above the 50 line. Okay, so this is a sell signal. Okay, stop loss, swing high, last swing high. So you can target 1 to 2 or whatever. All right. And then we have another signal here. Okay, above the 50 line. Okay, it's here. Target 1 to 2. All right. And here we have another signal if you missed it. And okay, here, okay, here we have a sell here. All right, target 1 to 2. Okay, so here we have another sell. So depending on where you put your stop loss, if you put it here, you can get it. All right, and here we have another sell. Okay, oops, sorry. Stop loss maybe right there, so target 1 to 2. Okay, and here we have another sell. Stop loss right there, maybe. Target 1 to 2. Okay, and here we have another sell here. All right, stop loss maybe right there. Okay, so if you have any question, just ask me. All right, thanks for watching.